Pag sa ano.
Ikaw naman ang kailangan namin. Tanlo.
Pwesto na to. Ay, na.
Wala na, iba na. Panta yan eh.
Okay, gets.
No, itaas dyan. Parang dito sa corner siguro.
A time is running.
That's okay. Then press it again.
Huh?
Then press it again.
Hey? This one?
That's nice.
Ay, mali. Bakit siya?
Yan, get.
Yeah, pwede din.
Oh yeah, that's pretty.
Okay,
That's pretty, yeah. Or take a look.
Take a picture of everybody. Then you do like this. You do like this. You do like this. Like that.
You can take a picture of us, okay? You have to look at us.
You have to look, okay? Now you have to look then. The faces and the body, everybody. There you go. There. See? Yeah, that's it. See? That's speedy. Yeah, slowly, slowly. You have to make sure you can see the body. That's right. Not the floor. The body, and then go to the jeep. Slowly, slowly. Go around with the jeep. See? Up a little bit. That's better. Then to the jeep. That's better. Good. That's it. Up. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. You see the body. The whole body. Very good. That's right. That's very good.
I'm done.
And the winner is Mary Valdez.
I'm done.
Pupus natin yan.
I-box natin.
The true dalagang Pilipina. The true dalagang Pilipina. Si Tita, pinapabay pa.
Ano na yan? Totoo?
Please. $1 only.
Oh Lord.
Siguro 1 hour.
Maganda nga.